Are you getting ready for Praxis Social Studies Content Knowledge 5081, Colonial America to Revolution, U.S. History, Causes and Consequences of Colonization, Independence, Regional Differences, Key Events? If so, I have a video that you'll want to check out. Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert here at study.com and a certified teacher. I'm going to walk you through some of the types of problems you'll see on the test. Make sure to try these on your own by pausing the video. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. What was the first definitive English colony? Is it A, Plymouth, B, Salem, C, Roanoke, D, Jamestown? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. So Roanoke was earlier 1585, but that actually is considered the lost colony because it just disappeared. Salem and Plymouth were 1620, but they were after the first colony, which was in 1607, Jamestown. Choice D. Which of the following would be considered a contributing factor to the American Revolution? Is it A, the Magna Carta, B, the War of 1812, C, the Stamp Act, D, the Louisiana Purchase? Okay, so I'm going to eliminate some possibilities here. So the War of 1812 and the Louisiana Purchase occurred after the Revolution, so later. So I'm going to eliminate those. The Magna Carta had some ideas about rights that people have, but it wasn't a contributing factor to the American Revolution. And the correct answer here is C, the Stamp Act, and it was a direct tax levied by Britain on the American colonies. So that is the correct answer, C. Which of the following acts passed by the British Parliament required American colonists to house and feed the increased presence of British soldiers? Is it A, Quartering Act, B, Sugar Act, C, Declaratory Act, or D, Townshend Acts? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. So the Sugar Act and the Townshend Acts were taxations, so I'm going to eliminate those. It doesn't have anything to do with housing and feeding British soldiers. Same thing with the Declaratory Act. That was giving Parliament the right to pass laws on the colonies, so I'm going to eliminate that. And the correct answer here is A, the Quartering Act. The influential pamphlet Common Sense was written by which of the following figures? Is it A, Benjamin Franklin, B, Thomas Paine, C, James Madison, or D, Thomas Jefferson? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. I'm going to eliminate Benjamin Franklin. So Benjamin Franklin was a diplomat and one of the founding fathers, but he was actually in France trying to secure alliances at this time. I'm going to eliminate choice C, James Madison. He is considered the father of the Constitution. He wrote the Federalist Papers, but not the pamphlet Common Sense. I'm going to eliminate Thomas Jefferson. He was one of the key writers of the Declaration of Independence, but he did not write the pamphlet Common Sense. And the correct answer here is B, Thomas Paine. He wrote the pamphlet Common Sense, and this was a persuasive and passionate argument to the common people of the colonies on why they should break free from Britain. All right, that concludes the video. Did you try these? Let me know how you did by leaving a comment. For more practice, check out our Praxis Social Studies Content Knowledge 5081 playlist. For even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.